Hey, are you into some weird artwork? You want to hang out with a hillbilly that gets into all kinds of things?
1, 2, 3, go.
American Ojisan.
This here is the right channel for you, Ojisan Draws. I do live stream art where I do the artwork right in front of you. Then I will do a speed paint version of that the next day, post it all up. We'll enjoy it together. Also post random videos of just the craziness I get into. If you'd like to come and hang out with me, that would be awesome. Ojisan Draws. Remember, Ojisan's got your back. Ojisan.
Careful, because they will come out of the ground and get you. Huh. Somebody over there shooting.